I don't tell this to everybody, but I was almost a TV star. It's true. And I got my big chance when Raska, the spokesperson for Robix Corps, came to Bubble Time to shoot a commercial for a brand new robot.
Meet delicious. Technology never tasted so good. New from Robix Corps. We make robots for everyone.
Oh, look. Securix. Now we'll never get to see her.
Wait a sec. I have an idea. They don't make cameras like these anymore.
Come on, crew. Let's move it.
Right. Time is money.
The show must go on.
I will break a leg.
Are you doing all the cooking? Who really has the time? Then I look over to camera 3, or is it 2? Whatever. Then I say, now you do, with Delicious, the chef of the future from Robix Corps.
Thank you, Raska. I'm Delicious, and I'm here to make your delicious dreams come true.
Right. Then you roll the dough, then Raska starts her voiceover.
The new Delicious creates scrumptious pastries, dices, slices, chops, and cuts faster than a master chef. Even decorates delectable cakes for those special occasions.
Good. Now head over to the bowl, Delish.
Delicious has an expanded menu that includes every kind of food. And you don't need reservations. But wait, you haven't heard the best part.
Perfect. Keep rolling.
Delish, why don't you tell them?
Ah, see. Then I will demonstrate how I cut up a pineapple and make tropical shish kebabs, huh? Andiamo.
Slow down, kebab boy.
Okay, so you'll cut away, but I'll stay here?
It's really her. It's really Raska.
Yeah, and she looks even better than on TV.
Yeah, well, you can't judge a book by its cover. Besides, there's something fishy about her.
Well, someone sounds a little jealous.
What? Okay, you guys, let's break it up.
Okay, stand over there and look handsome.
Ah, bello.
Whoa, a cinematics. That's really cool.
And action.
Your life can be delicious. Just like a dream. Don't wait to make it come true. Live your most delicious dreams with Delicious. From Robix Corp, we make robots for everyone.
And cut. Great. Beautiful, Raska. You too, Delish. Okay, guys, let's get out of here before we kick into overtime.
Cinematics, wait.
Huh?
Something's not right.
Where are you going? You're on my foot.
Come on, you guys, get up. She'll catch.
Not what it looks like.
I don't even know these people.
In the future, not so far away, it's the dawning of an all-new day. For everyone. Machines that care could be our friends, side by side until the end. For everyone. They build special powers right inside.
Hundreds of models from which to choose with a motion-driven EP.
When the worlds of good and bad collide, gotta fight all day and night. Cause you got the robot who sets everything right. Cubix, powers beyond compare. Cubix, evil forces better beware. Cubix, in trouble we will always be there. Robots for everyone. Cubix!
Cake!
Looks great.
Thank you.
Bellissima. Mangia.
Great work, Delicious.
Ah, you better be careful with those compliments there, Raska. Those things, they go right to my head.
Whoa, hey, what are you doing, kid? Watch it with those hands, will you?
Hey, Connor, can I have your piece if you're not gonna eat?
Sure. This cinematics is the coolest robot I've ever seen. Wow.
Connor, I think you just hurt Cubix's feelings.
Sorry there. What I mean is, cinematics is the coolest robot, not including you, Cubix.
Hey, what about me? I can cook a 3-minute egg in 1 minute.
Pipe down there, Iron Chef.
Signore, look, but don't pinch.
Connor loves every robot he sees.
Who wouldn't love a robot who could cook like that?
Hey, stop it. Watch it. Why don't you go finish your cake?
Connor, we need to reshoot this commercial, and I think I could use your help.
My help?
Raska, I'd I'd like to offer my services. I know everything about Delicious.
I eat more than anyone, Raska. I should be the one to help out.
No! Raska didn't ask us, she asked Connor.
Yeah, but,
Okay, so here's the plan. My crew will be at your house Thursday morning. And Connor, you're going to star in a Robix Corp commercial.
Me, a star?
Is that a yes?
Uh-huh. Cubix, are you okay?
Okay.
Cubix is great at a lot of things, but cooking isn't one of them. It was the day of the big commercial shoot with Delicious, and I suppose Cubix was feeling a little left out. It makes sense when you remember that Cubix has an emotion processing unit, and I think his is a bit more sensitive than some other robots. Maybe if I help him cook something, we could have some fun. Okay, Cubix. First, we'll turn on the oven.
Okay.
Okay. So I didn't have breakfast, Cubix. Big deal. Staring at that egg won't scramble it.
Egg? I'll make you something. Oh, Mr. Fix-It.
No, Hella, I shouldn't.
Excuse me.
I should really save my appetite for later when... Oh, all right, over easy.
Coming right up.
Just then, the whole gang showed up.
Hella, we saw Raska in person.
She gave us some cake and she's making a commercial here, too.
Oh, well, that's nice.
That's nice? This is huge.
What did I tell you? Only you two care about Raska.
I'm going. The shoot starts soon.
We're your best friends, right?
Sure.
This is an ad for the new Delicious model.
Mm-hmm. I know. I've seen it.
Soon it may be you here instead of Raska. The least you could do is get us on the set.
Okay, I'll ask her if you can come.
Tell her, don't ask. That way she can't say no.
Mm-hmm. It's your house.
Oh, yeah, sure. And I suppose Raska's gonna want us to be in it too, right?
Well, Chip says she could.
You never know when Raska's gonna need a fresh new face.
Can I come too?
Me too.
Oh, that's the last time I ate a dozen day-old jelly-fills for breakfast. Oh.
It turned out that, you can get stage fright even when the stage is your dining room.
Trust me, Connor. You're just what this commercial needs. All right, cinematics, let's get ready.
You're the boss, Raska.
But I don't know if I can act.
Don't worry, kid. I'll make you act. Everybody out! This is a closed set.
That was to stay and watch?
If you want to watch commercials, go buy a TV.
Aw, come on.
Hey, come back here. Let us in.
Okay, let's get the show on the road. Let's see. Hey, how about a little light on the subject here, fellas? Okay, Starboy, you sit down right over here. Remember to look right at me when you
He
speak.
sure is
This
lucky.
is the lens.
Yeah, he gets to eat on TV.
You look perfect, kiddo. Hey, where is that Delicious?
What was that?
Little Alicia, a pinch of that. Ah, perfetto. Mildly spicy, play the pepper, frozen tomato, fiore di peppers, 17 green beans, oil, rinse, repeat, peel the celery, chop the water, 780 degrees, eeny, meeny, miny, mo.
Delicious! What are you doing? Cut it out!
One pizza pie, coming up! Ah, sì, brown dessous, gorgonzola, mozzarella, sauté insieme a mascarpone, cannelloni,
Good
fiori
catch.
di dente, stramboli, ravioli, tosti di macaroni, pomodori, ricotti, marinare di
Wonder
panini,
why it's going
peperoni,
crazy.
prosciutto, pasta fagioli, tirami su marinara. Mamma mia!
There, that's more like it, Delicious. You were getting overheated. Let's see. What could it be? Maybe the emotion processing unit. I better take a look inside.
Don't look inside! I mean, don't worry about it, Connor. I'm sure it's nothing, you know. These new models can be a little buggy.
But he was acting so crazy,
Come on, you're about to make your big television debut, and I have a feeling you're going to be a big hit.
Action.
Wowee, oh boy, this tastes soupy. Wow, oh boy, I mean tasty.
Cut! We can't use that. Come on, kid. Loosen up. You're on television, not on trial. Go again. Action.
This doesn't taste too bad.
Cut. That's all wrong.
This doesn't taste too good.
Lousy.
What
What
was
an
that?
idiot! Delicious made it delicious.
Not delicious, delicious.
Delicious made it delicious? Huh?
No.
Delicious!
Huh?
Why couldn't you make something more interesting than chicken soup? How can Connor get excited when you make a boring dish like that?
I try as hard as I could. The recipe has been in my programming for 2 releases now.
What? You heard what Raska said. This is your fault. Now go find something better to cook.
The food, she's bellissimo.
Hey!
It's
Oh,
the
why,
director that's no good.
What do you know about directing?
Nothing. Which is about
Oh,
how much
yeah?
you know
Come
about
on, guys,
the
cut it
show.
out.
Yes.
Don't
Oh,
fight.
come over here.
You can't blame Delicious. Just blame me and my stomach. Believe me, there's nothing wrong with your cooking. It's not you. I'm just not hungry, honest.
That's awfully nice of you, Connor. But maybe they're right. Maybe I lose my touch.
Oh, Delicious, calm down. Take it easy. You still got it.
Delicious, may I see you for a moment? If this commercial bombs, you are finished.
I'm sorry, Raska.
And if you cause any more trouble, I'll happily be the one to take a sledgehammer to you and smash all your appliances into a million pieces. When I'm through with you, they won't even be able to tell what type of robot you once were.
Oh, yeah. Something's weird. We better find Delicious.
Let's go. Yeah.
I agree, but this is Robix Corp's responsibility. We'll take care of Delicious.
The next sports report coming up in just 10 minutes, direct from
It
the
must be
BTN
near.
Sports Center.
I can
Weather
feel
next,
it.
But first, this breaking story. An out-of-control robot went berserk while shooting a television commercial at a private home in Bubbletown a short time ago and is still at large. It's been identified as a Delicious.
Just goes to show they don't make robots like they used to.
Authorities say
Heck,
the robot broke away from
berserk.
the location and is still at large.
That
The
sounds
police
like
are being urged
Solex.
to report any
After Raska left, we all just stood there in shock. I didn't know what we should do, but Abby did.
I think we should go find him.
Huh?
What do you say?
Well, you heard Raska.
Forget Raska. If we find Delicious, maybe he'll bake another cake.
That's right. Sometimes you just gotta go with your gut. You guys are right. He needs our help. Cubix? Okay, Cubix. Let's fly.
Come on!
After you. No, after you.
Just grab it!
Fast food, burger, out of my way, I'm the fastest at the fast food. How do you want the burgers? Well done indeed.
Cubix over there. Hamburger Palace. Delicious, no! It was the next morning, and we were still searching for Delicious. But someone else found him first.
That's the Delicious with the Solex inside. Go get it, Colossal.
Oh, yes. Take that.
Nice catch.
And one.
Yes.
Oh, yes. Whoa.
Good one. Oh, ow. Now the fun and games are over. Get it.
You missed me! Missed again! Oh, you swing like a girl! Come on! Oh, that's all you got! Come on! You're nothing yet!
Gotcha. All right. Now I'll go in for the Solex. Now let's see what's cooking in that oven of yours. A nice little specimen. Very nice.
No! Hurry, Cubix! Circle back and we'll land on that roof.
Land on that roof? No!
Huh? Cubix, wait!
Now I crush you.
Look! The whole place is gonna collapse! Cubix must have seen that was gonna happen. That's why he left us down here. Cubix? Cubix!
Yet another reason to become a vegan. Oh.
Cubix?
Don't worry. He'll make it out.
You're okay, but we haven't seen Delicious come out. Any way you could find him?
Find him!
What a ride!
You're you rock, Cubix!
What happened? Why did you fail to get the Solex?
Fail? I didn't fail. I was ambushed by that robot. That thing always seems to show up. But next time I'll have Colossal destroy it once and for all. Yes.
That will not be easy, Doctor. Do not underestimate Cubix.
You wait and see. We'll catch that Cubix. The next time we meet, Cubix will be chopped meat.
Meet the brand new Delicious, the amazing cooking robot. Now programmed to be smarter than ever. Technology never tasted so good.
I never even got her autograph.
I did. Raska's 100 times better than Connor would have been in this commercial. He was lousy.
You blew your chance. Maybe if your soupy hadn't been so soupy, you'd be a big star.
Yeah, that was totally lame.
Wowee! Oh boy, this tastes soupy. I mean tasty. Wowee!
I was pretty mad. I mean, they were making fun of me. But I guess I deserved it. I should have known better. I never should have tried to be a TV star.